This is the Plusinno Fishing Rod Rack. It says easy to install. I'm going to have to drill some holes in my wall, and the instructions are right here. There's the rod rack. Put it in there, and then that's where it sits. There's the screw holes. There's where he's screwed in. What do you think about the rod rack, Lisa?
I
think that's a good idea.
Good idea.
All right, I got everything I think I need. I got to drill holes in the wall. I got my drill bits. I'm gonna put in a drywall anchor, and these are the screws that came with the package. So I got the drill bit that'll match that. Got my measuring tape. Got this because when I twink stuff like these into the wall, I don't want to hammer with an actual hammer. Got my level, got a pencil. I've got this stud finder. Watch this. Stud finder on the wall that like turns red. Well, there's a stud right there. You want to see something amazing? Oh, I found a stud, baby! Woo! I forgot, you should also have a Phillips head screwdriver. When you hang the rod rack, you should hang it low, not high, because the handles of these pulls, the reels, will be near the bottom. Right about here would be good, maybe a little higher, so we'll eyeball that. Make a mark. This is about, almost 3 feet. Well, I might as well just make it 3 feet exactly, because then that'll be good. So I'm gonna go 3 feet up on this. I also want to be, not right up against the wall, because I want this to have some room to wiggle. There's 12 inches. 3 feet. This will be the edge. There's the edge that I'm gonna start from. This is 3 feet up from the ground and a foot away from that. If you have a level, you don't necessarily have to measure. See how the bubble is between the lines? Now I'm gonna mark it. My pencil. See all these marks? That's where I'm going to screw in. 11/64. That's what we're looking at. One, two, three, four, 5 drywall anchors in. We're gonna put screws in loosely first. Take the next screw, put it in that one. Now, just because I'm lazy, I don't feel like using this screwdriver the whole time. I'm gonna get the drill to tighten it down. Just put that Phillips head drill bit in and crank it tight. This should spell Plusinno going up, okay? This is the right way. It's gotta be like this. Yeah, baby! What do you got spots for? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm gonna get some more rods. That looks pretty sweet, baby. Look at that. I like it. Oh, let's pull on this. Oh yeah, that's stable. That's in there. With those drywall anchors, that's in there. Grip is strong. Some of these rods are heavy. I rate it. I like it. All right, you gotta be the judge. You gotta see the rod rack.
Oh, actually, that looks really nice.
Does it?
You should probably have another one right on this one.
But I only have like 2 more rods. All right, we got permission to buy more rods.
No.
Thank you. Nice, love it. All right, there you go. Check it out, Plusinno Fishing Rod Rack. It works.